Hello, everyone. In this video, we've got something truly exciting to discuss: mastering mobile BI solutions, top tools, benefits, and best practices. Mobile business intelligence has become a game changer, and in this video, we'll take you on a journey through the world of mobile BI. So, let's dive right in. First, explore the top mobile BI tools that reshape how businesses make decisions. Power BI by Microsoft offers stunning visualizations, seamless report sharing, and accessibility from anywhere. Tableau Mobile extends your analytical reach, allows you to explore insights, and offers real-time data access. QlikView takes mobile BI to the next level with its associative data model, making data relationships crystal clear and data access just a tap away. Now, let's move on to the incredible benefits of mobile BI. These include real-time insights, enhanced productivity, data visualization, improved collaboration, and cost savings. But how do you make the most of mobile BI? Some best practices for mobile BI solutions are defining clear objectives, data quality matters, user training, and support, embrace data security, mobile optimization, and regular updates and maintenance. Mobile BI solutions are more than just a convenience, they are a strategic advantage. With the right tools, leveraging real-time insights, and following best practices, you can master mobile BI and stay ahead in this data-driven world. To know about more tools, benefits, and best practices for mastering mobile BI solutions, refer to our blog at www.valuecoders.com/blog.